Hello guys, it's me, Steven, playing this game of Juiced. Oh no, not again. I told you I'll be back at 12 something, and I am. It's 12:40. So, this is how you get better in Fortnite. If you play Roblox, you play the game Juiced. You see these keybinds that said V, C, and Q. You could switch those keybinds for for Fortnite, and you could get used to it. F is for trapping, but you could switch the keybinds.
Hey guys, again with another video. Today I'm playing with my friend Steven.
And I'm also playing with my friend Samira.
And this is some tips and tools to play Juiced. I probably play Fortnite. As you can see,
but instead of finding guns, you level up to get guns. So, if you want to get better at Fortnite, this is a way you could get better at Fortnite.
And this is my username. Be quiet. So, wait, I'm gonna go here. And this is my profile. It's Samira #7565. So make sure to add me if you have Discord.
See?
And yeah.
You get good at building, you get used to the game.
One tips and tricks. Okay, hold up. Let me reset real quick.
And then,
you can see my friend Steven is right there.
Well, that's all you gotta do. And then you play Fortnite and get used to the controls.
So one of my keybinds I'm using like Wallace for me is C, E, Floor for me is T, Ram for me is F. Or you can just use like the normal Juiced controls, like regular. But this time my Juiced controls I get used to.
And you get used to the controls. So Q is for wall, C is for ground, V is for ramp. Well, if you don't want to do that, it's like Fortnite. So you could switch the keybinds.
Blah blah blah.
And F is for traps. I just left all the keybinds the same, got used to them. I switched it in Fortnite, got better in Fortnite.
Get some hats like me, as you can see.
Then
you go all the way here. You go to cases, and then you can buy a hat.
Then
you can buy any kind of crate. See, like I'm gonna buy one. I'm just gonna got one. Go all the way to cases, and then get a hat. Like I did. I got a shark fin. Put that on. So yeah, guys. And also a golden trick. Make sure to do wall, ramp, wall, ramp, wall, ramp.
Get used to the controls.
Like,
and if you get used to them, I assure you, you will get better in Fortnite. But instead of, like I said, instead of finding guns, you level up to get guns. So,
you'll ramp and then you can just keep, you can do your 90s.
Yep, 90s are, you could get used to the building skills, you start doing 90s, everything. You could even start being the first one to start doing 360s.
Yeah, you can start doing 360 no scopes.
Yeah, you could get better at no scopes. So if you like this video, please like, subscribe, and don't forget to turn on your notifications. Goodbye.
Discord name
and yeah. Remember, if you want to friend me on Discord, my name is Steven, #8989. Okay, see you next time on another vid.
Guys, make sure